Hello, and welcome to another Telekinesis video. Today, we're in day 3 of our Telekinesis challenge. We tried to learn telekinesis in 7 days. Today, we focus more on our brain, our knowledge. In order to do telekinesis, you should know everything about it. All the rumors. Anything. Many people who ask me for tips and tricks for telekinesis, they're afraid of it. But if you're afraid of something, it's very hard to learn it. For example, if you are afraid to do a backflip, you know what's going to happen when you attempt the backflip. You're going to fall on your head, you're going to jump up, you're going to be afraid, then you're going to fall on your head, you're going to hurt yourself. I don't want you to hurt yourself. That's why I want you to get rid of the fear of the telekinesis. Don't be afraid of it. Be open to it, like a sponge. Like a sponge. Get the information, and anything you can learn about telekinesis is good information. Where do you get it from? People always ask me for book recommendations. There's the internet. Everything what's been written in the books is on the internet. So, what I need you to do, I have around 110 videos online on this YouTube channel. I need you to watch every single one of them. Every single one of them. Why? Because these videos contain information you don't get in books. I have been doing telekinesis for 16 years. The experience of 16 years is in those 100 and whatever videos. You can't get this in books. So I need you to start from the beginning and watch every single video. That is going to be just the foundation of your knowledge. After the foundation, you need to watch other YouTubers and what they have to say about telekinesis. After this, we need your experience. You need to practice, not today, but along the time. Throughout the time while you practice telekinesis, your experience is very, very important. Not just yours. Read in the comments. Read about the success stories about everybody who learned telekinesis. If you're someone who's been telekinesis for a while, write your success stories in the comments. Share your information. I want everybody to share their information and everybody else be the sponge for this information. Gather all this information. So that is today's lesson. I want you to learn as much as you can about telekinesis. So watch all the videos. Thank you so much for watching. Tomorrow is going to be the next day of telekinesis, or our 7 days telekinesis challenge.